I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you a test question based on right triangles. You need to find the unknowns in the following figure. So we are given a rectangle 10 meters by 9 meters where the point E and F are so that all these sides are equal, right? So point E and F are so that these segments are equal. P is midpoint of GH. So these two segments are also equal. So that is given to you. And now what you need to find is angle PAD, that is angle X, right? So let me write PAD. You have to find the angle PRH, the angle Y. The sides A and B. You need to find what is A and what is B, correct? So the angles which you need to find are these angles and the sides are these. You can pause the video, answer, and then look into my suggestions. Well, to begin with, we can find the angles straight away. Angle X, let's find angle X. So if I draw this line right going through the center, in that case we have a triangle which is triangle, let's call this as point Q. Let's call it T, right? Let's call this as T. So in this triangle, which is triangle TAP, we have a right triangle whose side AT is half of 9, which is 4.5, and the base is 10, right? So in this particular triangle, looking from, we have this as a right triangle here, right? Now in this particular triangle, you can see that the side TP is 10 meters, and A to T is 4.5. So opposite over adjacent gives you tan x. So we can write that tan of x is equal to 10 over 4.5, or angle x is equals to tan inverse of 10 divided by 4.5. Correct? So let's use the calculator. Shift tan inverse of 10 divided by 4.5 gives us 65.7. So we can round this to 66 degrees. So that is the angle X. Now, how do we get the sides and the angle Y? Now, to get the angle Y, we need to find, we can use this particular, the Y is equal to this angle Y, correct? So again from here you can see that it is opposite side, so we can say tan of y is equal to PC over DC. Now PC is 4.5 and DC is 10. So angle Y is equals to tan inverse of 4.5 over 10. So let's find this. Shift tan inverse of 4.5 divided by 10, bracket close, shift tan inverse 4.5 divided by 10 equals 2. We get an angle of 24.2, so which we can round to 24 degrees, right? So that gives us approximately 24 degrees. Correct? So you can see their sum is 90 degrees as expected. Now how do we find sides A and B? We can find it using similar triangles, correct? Now as you can see, these two triangles are similar, where the side GP is half of AE, correct? So we have that the triangle AEQ is similar to triangle. So you can see these are parallel lines, right? These two are equal angles and these are equal angles. So AQE is equals to PQG. They are similar triangles. Therefore, ratio of sides should be proportional. And so we get QG over EQ is equal to GP over AE. So which is GP is half of AE, right? So we get this as half. So the ratio of QG, so we know we can write from here that QG is equal to half of EQ, right? So QG is half of EQ. That is to say, the point Q divides this into the ratio of 1:3, correct? So that gives you the length A and B. So from here, we get that the length A is equal to, so out of 3 portions of 10, it is 1/3 of 10, right? So A is 1/3 of 10 or 10/3 meters. As far as B is concerned, it is 2 times this or 20/3 meters, correct? So we get these sides as 20/3 and 10/3, correct? So we could find that using similar triangles. So I hope the steps are clear, okay? So you can solve the triangle using tan, get the angles, and using similar triangles, you can find A and B. The ratio here is 1:2. So the total length of 10 meters is divided into 3 parts, A being 1/3 of 10. So that is how you could answer this question. So we have A as 10/3 meters, B as 20/3 meters, angle PAD, this angle here is 66 degrees, rounded to whole numbers, and PR edge is 24 degrees. I hope that helps. Feel free to write your comments and share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for watching and all the best.